Big day today. North has a play date. Oh, come on, buddy. He is 11 weeks old on Tuesday. Today's Wednesday. He is 21 pounds and he is a bundle of trouble. So today he has a play date with a black lab called Ozzie. It's Ozzie's birthday. We'll see how that goes. Okay, let's go meet your friend.
He likes puppies, so. He's always like slow to warm. He's always like super awkward at first. Do you like him, Ozzie?
Oh, I'm sure he's gonna tell him off when he gets annoying. But
he's usually pretty patient with puppies. Like he likes them. He doesn't know what to think. He's like, I just want to sniff you. Oh, he also wants. He also wants to meet your dad.
Hey, buddy, can you hold that when I?
Oh, he got himself all. Oh, how did you manage that, little guy?
You don't want this.
Hi, oh my goodness, you are so cute.
I'll let this guy off.
All around this backyard as soon as yep.
Well, that's what the backyard's here for.
Yeah. This is exactly what he did at Katie's house. He just like immediately started running. I had a feeling he would ignore him at first to just run, but. Ozzie, is that your friend? You have a new friend? He's like, I got the zoomies now. Yep.
I was watching soccer, but it was playful, but it wasn't as big as.
Is it Ozzie?
It wasn't heavy as Ozzie.
Yeah.
I think the other dog was older too, right?
5.
Ozzie just has puppy energy though.
Oh yeah. People assume he's a baby. I feel like now they're gonna be friends forever.
Just remember there, Ozzie, this guy's going to be outweighing you.
He's
going to be big on you.
Oh, Ozzie!
One day North will be able to put Ozzie down like that.
Yeah. Well, that's like the dog we played with this morning is a husky, and it's the exact same size. But I think Ozzie's got weight on him, on her.
That's a dog in the neighborhood.
He's also trying to relax. Yeah.
Ozzie, if you just lay down, I'm sure he'll stop.
Up north though.
Ruby, just relax. Relax.
I know Ozzie's trying to relax.
Dorothy's going and nipping at his bum. Dorothy.
Hello.
That's a good boy.
Don't bite me. Not a very good move to bite me in front of Ozzie.
Wolf, how was your first play date? Well, second play date, sorry. First birthday party though.
I know we should have put little hats on him. Ozzie would have eaten his hat, and I think North would have too.
You're a rascal. You're a rascal. I'm getting a